Video I'm showing you guys how to install or any difference, so we'll set that to the side. And now we're going to go ahead and grab our pins. Now both of these pins, one is a male pin, the other one is a female pin. And so if you look at the male pin, it goes with the female pin, correct? So, and the same thing with the connector, you take the male pin and it goes with the female, and it basically creates a couple. And then you have the female pin and it goes with the male connector and you have another couple. So as long as you kind of keep the couples together like so, you won't have any problems down the road. We're going to start with a positive wire first, so we'll go ahead and take the black wire and just move it off to the side, and then this. So we only need to strip about 1/4 inch of wire, 1/2 centimeter roughly. So we'll load the wire into the wire strip tool and give it a squeeze, and boom, there it goes. Give the wire just a little twist, and now we're done with that part. We can go ahead and grab our crimp tool. And now what we need to do is grab that pin, and we're going to load it from the back side. You're going to put it into the largest position, it's closest to the jaw. Squeeze the wires until it just holds the pin. And now go ahead and load up your wire, and all you have to do is give it a squeeze. And now you've finished your crimp and it's good to go. I sometimes like to do a second crimp, and that way it ensures that it doesn't come off, but you also don't want to cut the wire, so you will give it a pull. Once you load it into the connector, go ahead and squeeze it in, and then you'll hear it click. Go ahead and give it a good couple pulls to make sure it's nice and tight. And if it is, well, then you're good to go, and you can take that compression sleeve, slide it back down, get the cap, go ahead and start spinning it down, and we'll grab both of those blue wrenches, and then we can take the MC4 connector, put it in the middle of the tool, take the other one, put it on the cap, 2 clicks, and then basically you're done. And now you've completed one of your MC4 connectors. So now all we have to do is go ahead and do the negative side. This is basically going to be the same thing, so we'll move a little bit quicker. Go ahead and take the cap, take your compression sleeve, slide that down, and then we're going to go ahead and strip that wire again about the same length. Get your strip tool, go ahead and strip it, twist the wire, go ahead and get your pin, load it in from the back side with the crimp tool, make sure that it's flush. And then go ahead and grab your wire, insert it into the pin, go ahead and give it a squeeze again. And again, I like to double crimp it, so that's just my method. And then go ahead and insert it into the female side or female connector. Get your compression sleeve and your cap, and go ahead and start tightening those down. Then you can get the blue wrenches and go ahead and torque those twice until you get 2 clicks. And now for the most part, both of these MC